Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to stop or pause background downloads while playing game in Steam app. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all open your Steam. Click on games. Then click on view games library. Then select here in game. For example this one. Right click on this, click on properties. In this you can see here update. Click on update. Now you can see here pause background downloads while I am playing. Click here. You can see here three options is available. Pause background downloads while I am playing. Always allow background downloads, never allow background downloads. From here you select which one you want. I select pause background games while I am playing. That's it guys. So in this way you pause background downloads in Steam app. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.